Today we're showing you a 2014 New Holland T475 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just under 500 hours on it. It's a local trade-in. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. There's absolutely no known mechanical issues with the tractor. It does have the New Holland 655 TL quick attach front loader, skid steer style bucket connection. The bucket does not show a lot of wear. It's primarily used to handle hay, so the spear was on it most of the time. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. It's been stored inside. The tractor nearly looks new. Got two entry doors in the cab, two mirrors in the cab. Galaxy radial tires are probably 90 to 95% tread life remaining. Two sets of wheel weights, telescopic 3-point arms, barely show any wear. Has 540 PTO. Two rear hydraulics back here, rear wiper, rear work lights on the cab. If you're looking for a clean cab loader tractor to do a little haying or anything to that nature, it's about as clean as they come right here. Again, just under 500 hours. It does have tilt steering wheel, power reverser, which you can shift from forward to reverse without clutching. Has the air ride seat for the operator, buddy seat here to the left. In the control console, you've got your loader control and your primary transmission stick. You got 4 gears that are all synchronized on that stick. 3 ranges and park gear down below here. Hand throttle also within easy reach. 3-point and PTO levers right there beside the seat. Hydraulic levers up on the console. 4-wheel drive engagement also up on the console. You have your climate control and your radio on the right post there. It does have the visibility glass, rearview mirror. It also has a visor, so if you want to shut that off, you can. Clutch, brake, and foot throttle down below, as well as your differential lock. Again, just about as clean as they come. It's a very, very nice tractor. Again, it was a local trade-in. It's a one-owner unit. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.